got a folder full of customer call transcripts, and leadership wants a product issues report by end of week. Reading every single one manually isn't an option. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use CloneForce to turn a pile of raw transcripts into a polished, leadership-ready escalation memo, step by step. Before we start, here's what you need. Your customer call transcripts stored as individual documents in Google Drive. A CloneForce clone with Google Drive and Google Docs access enabled. And a few minutes to set up your master document. That's it. Let's build this. Step 1. Organize your Google Drive folder. Keep your transcripts in a dedicated folder, sorted by date range or call type. Use a consistent naming convention. Something like call, followed by the date, followed by the customer name. This makes batch retrieval fast and keeps everything auditable if someone needs to trace a finding back to its source. Step 2. Process your transcripts in batches. And here's a critical detail. Don't feed all your transcripts in at once. Process 5 to 10 at a time. Why? Because smaller batches keep the analysis sharp. When you push too many transcripts through in a single pass, subtle issues, especially expectation gaps buried deep in conversation, get missed. Batches of 5 to 10 give you the right balance of speed and quality. For each batch, your clone reads through the transcripts and extracts 4 specific categories: bugs and technical errors customers actually hit, missing features or functionality gaps customers asked for, usability and navigation friction where customers expressed confusion, and expectation gaps where the product didn't match what customers thought it would do. Step 3. Build your master Google Doc and start appending. Create this document at the beginning of the process. It's your living report. After each batch runs, the Google Docs operator appends a new, numbered appendix section to the doc. Each appendix includes the document IDs of the transcripts reviewed in that batch and a roll-up summary of the issues found. Those document IDs are your audit trail. If a VP asks where a P0 finding came from, you can surface the exact source transcript in minutes. One more thing about the appending step. Be honest when a batch run is imperfect. If the extraction was fuzzy or incomplete, flag it in the appendix. This is one of the things that makes this workflow trustworthy. Leadership knows that where the report claims confidence, it earned it. Step 4. Synthesize everything into your front matter. Once all batches are processed, your clone reviews the full set of appendix sections and builds the report's opening pages. This is where the document becomes leadership ready. You'll have an executive summary that tells the story across all transcripts, a leadership TLDR with the most critical issues and their business impact, and a board readout version focused on risk and strategic implication. Prioritization gets built directly into this synthesis. Issues are classified as P0, widespread or blocking problems requiring immediate escalation. P1 for high-impact issues to fix in the next sprint, and P2 for lower frequency items that belong on the roadmap. The top risk section translates those P0 and P1 issues into business language: churn risk, support cost, reputation impact. And the 30, 60, 90-day plan turns everything into a concrete action timeline. Step 5. Structure the final document for leadership review. Put all synthesis sections up front: executive summary, TLDR, board readout, risks, prioritization, and the 30, 60, 90 plan, followed by the numbered batch appendices in order. Set sharing to comment only, so leadership can leave feedback without touching the analysis. Think of it this way. Each batch appendix is an archaeological dig layer, documented, traceable, built on primary sources. The executive summary is the museum exhibit at the top, curated and accessible, but backed by everything below it. That's the full workflow. Organized drive folders, disciplined batch processing, an honest and traceable appendix structure, and a synthesized front matter that leadership can actually act on. Try it on your next set of transcripts and see how fast raw customer conversations become a real product intelligence document. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. We've got more CloneForce operator workflows coming your way.